Giselle with Contractors Liability. And if you're an electrician, you already know this. One tiny spark can turn into a very big problem. That's exactly why having the right insurance isn't just smart, it's essential for protecting your business, your clients, and your reputation. Electricians face some of the highest risk situations in the trades. Electrician insurance is designed to mitigate those risks and prevent them from becoming financial troubles. Let's break down the coverage you truly need. General liability insurance. This is your core protection. If a client trips over equipment, if an outlet you installed causes damage later, or if a wiring mistake leads to property loss, general liability covers the repairs, medical costs, and even legal expenses. Tools and equipment coverage. Electricians rely on specialized tools, meters, drills, testers, and ladders. If they're stolen from your van or damaged on the job, this coverage helps you replace them quickly so you can keep working. Workers' compensation. If you have employees, this is a must. Electrical work is physical and often hazardous. Workers' comp covers medical bills and lost wages if an employee gets injured on site. And it keeps your business compliant with state laws. Commercial auto insurance. Your work van isn't covered by personal auto insurance when used for business. Commercial auto protects you, your tools, and your materials in transit and between jobs. Professional liability or errors and omissions. Now this one is often overlooked. If you're accused of faulty workmanship, improper installation, or an electrical error that causes a shutdown or financial loss, this coverage helps you pay for claims and legal defense. Now your rate will depend on your revenue, number of employees, the type of electrical projects you handle, and your claims history. Higher risk work such as panel replacement or industrial wiring may increase the cost, but the protection is well worth it. At the end of the day, electrician's insurance gives you peace of mind so you can focus on what you do best, keeping homes and businesses safely powered. Visit contractorsliability.com for your free customized quote today. And if this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more contractors insurance tips, and hit the bell so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching.